And if you want to learn how to create a Toposolid from scratch, I'll leave a link in the description box below.
Special about your